In today's unboxing, we take a look at the Terran ships for Eclipse, Second Dawn of the Galaxy. Let's take a look.
There are hobbyists among us, geniuses with the ability to play any game they want to. In 1978, a corporation known as The Interior isolated a young hobbyist named John and exploited his genius for their entertainment.
Then one day, their hobbyist ran away. Up next, we have our human or Terran ships. Now, I don't remember if any of these are in the base game. I don't think there were, because these all look different to me than what I remember seeing. Or there may have just been the one. Yeah, there must have just been the one, because here they're saying 6. So, because I remember when I did that unboxing, I was like, well, hey, now you won't be able to play Terran against Terran because you don't have all of the stuff. This right here is what's going to allow you to turn one of the different colors, into the Terran ships. And here, it shows you all the content. So you have your space station, your cruisers, your dreadnoughts, and I don't remember, but your interceptor. Maybe it was an interceptor, I think. So 108 ships. Very cool. Let's go ahead and look at these. No. All right. So we have green, blue, a yellow, and a black. And it looks like they are all the same. Well, no. These red ones look... No, they're the same. Okay. So yeah, they do all look the same. See, and I'm guessing that's why it's only showing that. So there are these 4 in these 6 colors. Dump you guys out. Move you up a little bit. Because I definitely do not remember seeing these in the base game. So let's move all you. And of course now though, because we have these, I would want to find some way to get 6 more of the trays. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I want. I want 6 more of the trays and the dial, so everything can be, put in there. And then of course, it's colored spheres and all that. Now that's what I'm wanting. This looks very Star Trek-y to me. Alright, so let's look at these. So here we have the space station. And let's actually change something up real quick. Let's switch to yellow, because I think the yellow will show up a little better. So you can see everything. So the base, the dreadnought, the interceptor, and the cruiser, I think are the names of them all. Alright, so you see, and there's a good bit of little detail. Like I said, the black will be hard, but for these other ones, just put a wash over these and they will definitely pop. And you can really see all of those. It's dreadnought. And then of course I grabbed one of the stands that we looked over earlier. Now we can stick that in there. That's cool, I like that. And let's grab another one. You can see both of those. And of course he sits on the map tile, so, and then same thing with him. So yeah, so these now give us all the ships for the Terrans, so we can actually play multiples of those in a game. So this definitely, to me, seems like a good add-on for for extending your game. Well, that was everything for the Terran ship for Eclipse Second Dawn of the Galaxy. This set was also available within the Worlds Afar Collection. But here, I just wanted to make sure I had a separate video of just the Terran ships. So if that's all you're interested in, you were able to hopefully find this video, just so you can get an idea of what these are to help you to determine if this expansion for Eclipse Second Dawn of the Galaxy is something you would be interested in. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you later.